Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about information about atoms of elements and compounds. So let's start. The basic unit of any chemical, which is a atom. So basically an atom is the smallest particle of a substance. Uh, it is not capable of any independent existence and has a definite structure. So structure of an atom basically contains protons, which are the positively charged particles. Neutrons are the not at all charged particles, they are the neutral particles, whereas electrons are the negatively charged particles. So this is the structure of an atom. The next thing we have here is molecule. So basically, a molecule can be stated as a group of atoms of the same or different substance combining and forming a molecule. Mostly, molecules are made of same kind of atoms. Molecule of an element. So there are three types of molecules, which are the diatomic, triatomic, and polyatomic. So examples for the diatomic molecules are hydrogen. Its molecular symbol is H2, whereas its atomicity is 2. Triatomic molecule is a molecule which has which whose atomicity is 3. An example of it is ozone, O3. Polyatomic is a molecule containing the atomicity of 4. Example is phosphorus, P4. So this is the ozone molecule, and this is a polyatomic phosphorus molecule. The term compound. A compound is a pure substance made up of two or more different elements combined chemically in a fixed proportion. Atoms of different elements forming a compound. So these are various compounds like water, carbon dioxide, and calcium oxide. So, water basically has two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen in it, whereas carbon dioxide contains two molecules of oxygen and one molecule of carbon. Calcium oxide contains one calcium molecule atom, whereas one one oxygen molecule. Differences between elements and compounds. So basically, elements are made up of one kind of atom, whereas compounds are made up of two or more kind of atoms. Elements cannot be broken down into simpler substances, whereas compounds can be broken down into simpler substances by various methods. Elements have a own set of properties, whereas compounds properties differ from the properties of the elements in which the specific compound contains. So these are some pictures relating to the topic: molecular arrangement in mixtures and pure substances. So this is the molecular arrangement in an element, whereas this is for a compound. The atomic structure of iron. This is water. Atoms of hydrogen and oxygen forming the compound of water. So, this information is taken from the chemistry textbook, which is written by Viraf G. Dalal. You. This presentation was created by Ipshita.